Playing dress-up. Today I played dress-up with my little sister. We found a big box of old clothes in the attic. It was like a treasure chest. We tried on funny hats, colorful scarves, and even sparkly shoes. I pretended to be a princess, and my sister became a brave knight. We laughed so much. We put on a fashion show for our parents. I twirled around in my dress, and my sister struck cool poses. It was so much fun to be silly and creative. After our show, we decided to make our own costumes. I used a pillow as a crown, and my sister made a shield out of cardboard. We imagined we were in a magical kingdom, fighting dragons and saving the day. Playing dress-up makes me feel happy and helps my imagination soar. I can't wait for our next adventure.